Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will talk about words we can use instead of very. Instead of saying very glad, you can use overjoyed. Winning the competition left me overjoyed. Don't say very confused, say perplexed. The complex math problem left me completely perplexed. Very angry. Furious. Furious. She was furious when she discovered her laptop was missing. Very hungry. Starving. Starving. After a long day of hiking, I was absolutely starving. Very cold. Freezing. Freezing. Even with layers of clothing, I was still freezing in the icy wind.
You can reach me at Shree Academy 94160 Email is shreeacademy42@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy learning with Shree Academy.